Now that you've finished your warm-up, here's what I want you working on today. You are going to make an Instagram page for China. So what you need to do is you need to decide what 9 photos might China post on their Instagram page and give me at least one hashtag for each photo. Now I've provided you with a bunch of different websites to help you learn more about China. For example, on this website, it talks about China's calendar and the fact that every year is represented by a different animal. So what I did was I found my year and thus my animal. And as you can see from my example on the board, I drew the year of the monkey, hashtag year of the monkey. My second picture, I went to another website and found a picture of China's flag. So again, hashtag flag of China, I drew their flag. So on and so forth. You need a total of 9 photos and 9 hashtags. If you need help, raise your hand. Also, try to make yours look like an authentic Instagram account, so add a picture here that would represent China, and then just like your name goes down below, add in China or all about China or some sort of creative name that has to do with it. If you are still listening, thank you. You guys did excellent with the stars last time. Add a happy face next to Tuesday on your warm-ups.